Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, Aussie dollar very, very bearish so far this month. I still am really not ruling out the possibility that eventually this is going to end up going up and making a wave. Why? But we definitely do want to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, we really still have not broken structure on the weekly. So there's still always a chance that this does make a higher low and just keep on trending up. As of right now, I definitely don't disagree that it kind of looks like an A, a B, and a C, and it kind of looks like it wants to trend down like that. And if it does do that, then that's not a problem either, because like I always say, we just go with the flow. Going down to the daily time frame, this is definitely a downtrend, as you can see. And the fact that it's closing below the 78% usually is a sign that it will take out structure. So it does kind of seem more likely that it probably is a 1, and it probably is going to eventually go up for a 2, and then down for a 3, a 4, and a 5, probably eventually ending up looking something like this. So anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, luckily because of the move that we had yesterday, now we have a new swing low, which means now we can move our structure from up here to right here, which is great news, because now if price goes up and breaks this structure, we're going to have a much sooner confirmation that this whole move down right here is over. I would expect the next move after the break of structure to be a crescent to this move down, like either a wave B or a wave 2. But either way, we do not have that break of structure yet, and there's still a possibility that it could end up pushing down even more. So that's why I will continue to trade with the trend until the trend is proven to be over with that break of structure. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. The last push down is definitely a trend, so you would expect that this move up right here could possibly be a correction to that trend, maybe end up looking something like this before it just goes down. So if it decides to make another three-way pattern, like another ABC correction up to a Fibonacci retracement level with an engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely will take it as another sorting opportunity. At the same time, if it does decide to go up and break and hold above this structure right here, then I will definitely stop looking for shorts and I will definitely start looking for longs, potentially either in a ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.